Alright, I don't know how much mayo to put. Oh, ew. Sure. I hope you guys can hear me. My cousin said I needed to get a microphone so she can hear me better in my videos. So I got a microphone. Hi, I'm Candace. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do another cook with me video. I have several cook with me videos on my channel and they're pretty awesome. But today's cook with me video is going to be something slightly different. I'm going to be trying viral TikTok recipes. I'm twisty. I'm just having so much fun in my microphone. So in today's video, I have a few viral TikTok recipes that I saw on TikTok that I feel like look yummy, and also two, probably one of the easier recipes to make. I have three like entree style recipes. I have a pasta, I have potato chips or potato bites, I guess you could say, and then I have these little chicken nugget bites, and then I also have a dessert. So we're gonna make all of these, and basically I'm gonna follow the video and hope that it comes out right, and then I'm gonna let you guys know if they're worth making or not. Without further ado, let's get to the video. We're going to watch these videos.
Okay, this is definitely my new favorite way to meal prep my chicken. It turned out so good, and it kind of reminded me of popcorn chicken. So you're gonna start by cutting up your chicken thighs into little chunks and then throwing it in a bowl and seasoning it however you'd like. I also added a little baking powder, and instead of oil, I'm using mayonnaise. Mix it up really good, and then I'm gonna throw mine in the air fryer. You could also do this in the oven. Just mix it up every 5 minutes or so until they look something like this. They were so good, super juicy and tender. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me so I can see. Okay, this is definitely my new favorite way to.
So we're gonna prep the chicken. So I'm gonna do the chicken. I have a bowl, because that's what you need. I have some chicken breasts, because that's what you need. Oh, we need seasonings. Hold on. I have the mayo. I need to get the seasonings, 1 second. I washed my hands, by the way. I just needed y'all to know, because I feel like I did not show that. But I don't need y'all dragging me in no comments or nothing. Okay? She's sanitary. So this is boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which is what she used in the video. And I'm gonna be honest, I feel like chicken thighs are juicier, got a little more flavor to them than chicken breast. So we're just gonna cut these up into bite sizes, okay? So we gotta season these. So she don't tell us how much we should put in there, so go to town, I guess. Oh wait, hold on, let me wash my hands. I don't know how much mayo to put. Oh ew, shake it up first. Sure, but I'm gonna put a tablespoon only because oh, that might be too much. I'm gonna use our tongs to just mix it up. Okay, so we have our chicken prepped. Now we're gonna prep our pasta. Let's go back and watch the pasta video.
This video went viral on my Instagram with almost 80,000 likes, and I think this is why. 1, you put uncooked pasta into the recipe, but I promise you it gets cooked in the oven. And 2, I think this pasta shape makes people go crazy. What do you think? This video went
okay, this
viral
looks so good. Okay. So basically she puts she puts pasta, cream, and a bunch of cheeses in a pan, and then she puts it in the oven and she bakes it, and she lets everything come together. Now she uses long fazouli, I think I'm pronouncing that right, I don't know. However, I don't have that, nor could I find it, so bow tie is what she gets. Oh, you know what, that might be milk. Well, let's make it extra creamy. Let's do heavy cream and let's do milk. How about that? Let's do, oh, that might be too creamy. Let's get the milk. Let's put the cream back. Okay. That looks better, but now I definitely think it's too much milk. But you know what? It's gonna be okay. Then she put cheese. Oh, not me shredding my nail. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm done with the shredder. I just got so scared. She was using balls of mozzarella, and this is my favorite kind of mozzarella. It's like mozzarella soaked in olive oil and different herbs. It's delicious. All right, we're I'm just gonna take some of these bad boys and just dump them on top, just kind of how she did. We have the chicken done, we have the pasta done. Now let's prep the potatoes. I need to clean up my station. How you supposed to be a chef and your station is messy? So we're gonna go back and look at the potato video. Okay, great. Add olive oil to the pan. I'm gonna put this on the stove and heat it up. Now let's put the chicken in the air fryer and put the pasta in the oven. Pasta going in the oven. Chicken going in the air fryer. She peeled her potato, so we gonna peel our potato too. Potato land. Potato land. I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I have my little stickies that she has. We're gonna cut this in half. And then I was noticing, let's do it this way. She was cutting them like this. Ooh. I might be. Okay, there we go, right? Call me a professional potato cutter. Okay, okay, y'all see that? And y'all see me. I mean, it smells nice. It don't look that appetizing. Pray over the food. Amen. It does just taste like chicken. I guess I was looking for more crunch, but you don't really have that because it's not like you have any breading or anything. I mean, I guess. I mean, it's not bad. It just, what is it supposed to taste like? It just tastes like a bunch of cheese. Like, that ain't it. Okay, in the video, she took sea salt and she, you know, dusted it top of her potato. Like that. This is the best one. Let's look back at the video for dessert.
Okay guys, so here's part 1 of my dessert series for people.
So I have a pan that I'm going to put the puff pastry on. I have the cream cheese. Okay, and the puff pastry. I'm gonna cut these into a little bit of pieces and then put the parchment paper on here. And then I'm going to put them in the oven and I guess bake them until they puff up because it's puff pastry. Cut it up like so, like that. And then she said to just cut up in little bitty pieces. No, I'm kidding. Here are my itty bitty pieces. I think this is good. Right? Like these are tiny. Get the cinnamon sugar, mix that up, toss it in some oil, toss it in some cinnamon and sugar, and bake it. I have the oven. I am so sorry, excuse me. Spray it with this on each end and dump it in the cinnamon and sugar. And then we're gonna she's gonna take it out. She's gonna look like that. And then we're just gonna place it on the thing. This is what they look like. Okay, we're gonna put these in the oven and then we're gonna make the sauce. She's solid, right? Solid as a rock. Ta-da! The only thing I did right in this whole damn video. Puff pastry, dip in sauce. She thick. She smells delicious. The pasta. Flavor, okay. I mean, I added some other stuff. I added truffle oil at the end, which kind of enhanced the flavor. I added salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and I feel like if I didn't add those things, it would have been bland. I definitely suggest pre-cooking your pasta because even though in the TikTok video she says it gets cooked in the oven, it does not. I don't know, but my pasta definitely came out crunchy and not done. But the flavor was nice. I would give it about a 6, and I feel like that's even being generous. So the low carb chicken bites, they don't taste like anything special. I would make it without the baking powder, and I think that it would be good I mean, I don't think you're really missing anything by not having these. It just tastes like regular chicken. So, I mean, I give it a 6. The potatoes, I mean, I think that they're delicious, but are you missing anything? No. I give it a 7. The cinnamon bites, I don't get the point. Like, if you want something quick and sweet, sure. But I feel like I've made better recipes with puff pastries. I feel like you're eating air with sugar on it. I would give it a 6. I mean, these videos ranged from 5 million, 6 million views, all the way up to 22.4 million views with over 8.4 million likes. I don't see what the hype is about. Any other video, I would recommend making these, but make them if you're curious. Thank you guys again for coming along with me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe. Stick around for a while because I'd love to have you in lots more fun food videos to come. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Peace. Wow, I'm so mad that I spent all that time on this food and it was not good.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah.